kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about meal planning. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to recognize the factors in planning a menu for the family, its benefits and importance. Are you ready? Have you ever wondered why some families always enjoy healthy and delicious meals at home? Do you think planning what to cook every day can help save time, money, and effort? How can a simple plan for breakfast, lunch, and dinner make the whole family healthier and happier? Meal planning helps answer these questions. It is the process of preparing and organizing meals ahead of time to make sure that every member of the family eats nutritious food and enjoys mealtime together. Meal planning is the process of listing foods that complement one another. It is the first step in meal preparation, planning for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Planning meals ahead of time helps to reduce waste of food and money, ensure each family member gets enough nutrients, and make meals more organized and enjoyable. A well-planned menu attracts family members to eat together. Eating together not only nourishes the body but also strengthens family relationships. Factors to consider in meal planning. Here are some factors to consider when planning a meal. Family's available resources. Resources can be human resources that cover skills, time, knowledge, and energy of the homemaker, while non-human resources include time, money, facilities, and kitchen equipment. These depend on the family's income, size, location, and lifestyle. Goals in meal planning. Meal planning should aim to ensure adequate nutrition for all family members, maximize the use of available resources, make food economical and within budget, consider food preferences of each member, use time, money, and energy wisely, and provide varied and interesting meals. Family values. The family's values affect what kind of food they eat. If health is valued, the homemaker will prioritize healthy and nutritious foods even if they cost more. Nutritional adequacy. Meals must meet the nutritional needs of each member. Always include foods from the three basic food groups and follow the food pyramid to ensure balance. Age. People of different ages need different amounts of food. For example, children need food for growth, adults need food for energy, and elderly need easily digestible and nutritious meals. The Food and Nutrition Research Institute, or FNRI, provides guidelines for proper food intake per age group. Gender. Males often require more energy and nutrients than females. For instance, teen boys are required to eat 6 to 7 cups of rice a day, while teen girls need 5 cups of rice based on the recommended energy and nutrients intakes. Physical activity. The more active a person is, the more food and nutrients they need. The kind of work a person has affects the kind and amount of food he or she needs to take daily. The more physical the job is, the more nutritious food in larger amounts should be eaten. For example, a farmer or construction worker needs more food than an office worker. Economic considerations. The budget of the family for food is another major factor to consider in meal planning. The food budget must fit the family's income. A skilled homemaker can still prepare nutritious meals even with a small budget by choosing affordable but healthy ingredients, avoiding food waste, and buying in-season produce. The skill of the homemaker or the menu planner is very important for the family with a small food budget to ensure that the nutritive value of the food is still being served to the members. Seasonal availability. Some foods are available only during certain times of the year. These foods are called seasonal foods. The off-season foods cost more, while those in season are fresh, nutritious, tasty, and cheap. Likes and dislikes of family members. Meals should consider food preferences of each family member and health conditions to avoid allergies or health problems. Benefits and importance of meal planning. Ensures nutritional adequacy. Helps provide balanced and healthy meals, ensures that family members get the right nutrients their bodies need, and promotes good health and prevents malnutrition. Saves time and energy, reduces time spent thinking about what to cook, make cooking faster because ingredients are already prepared or planned, and prevents last-minute meal decisions. Saves money, helps the family stick to a budget, prevents unnecessary buying and reduces food waste, and allows the homemaker to buy only what is needed and make the most of available resources. Avoids food wastage. When meals are planned, the family can use all available ingredients properly and prevents food from spoiling or being thrown away. Promotes family togetherness. Planned meals encourage families to eat together regularly. Eating together builds stronger relationships and better communication among family members. Makes meals more enjoyable. Meals can be varied, colorful, and appealing. Family members can enjoy different dishes instead of eating the same food every day. Encourages wise use of resources. Helps the homemaker make the most of time, money, and effort, and allows proper use of kitchen tools, appliances, and ingredients. Considers family preferences and health. Ensures that everyone's likes, dislikes, and health conditions are taken into account. Helps avoid allergic reactions, and ensures that meals fit everyone's needs. Promotes good eating habits. Teaches children to eat balanced and nutritious food, and encourages the family to eat at the right time and in the right amount. Reduces stress for the homemaker. Planning ahead removes the daily stress of deciding what to cook. Makes meal preparation more organized and enjoyable. Once again, meal planning is very important because it helps provide nutritious meals for the family, save time, money, and energy, avoid food waste, strengthen family relationships, and develop healthy eating habits. A wise and thoughtful homemaker Always plans meals carefully to meet the family's needs and promote health and happiness at home. Wise buying. One way to practice wise buying is by preparing a market list before going to the store or market. A market list is a written reminder of what to buy, how much to buy, and how much money to spend. It helps you buy only what is needed, choose good quality products, and stick to your budget. Through wise buying and proper planning, every family can use the resources wisely and live a more organized and economical life. Here are some guidelines in wise buying. Buying fruits and vegetables. Choose fresh fruits and vegetables that are firm, crisp, and free from bruises or dark spots. Buy seasonal produce. They are fresher, cheaper, and more nutritious. Avoid fruits and vegetables that are overripe, wilted, or moldy. Buy only what you need to prevent spoilage and waste. Wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly before storing or eating. Buying meat. Choose meat that is fresh, firm, and pinkish in color. Avoid meat that is slimy, dark, or has a bad odor. Check that the meat is from a clean and authorized seller or butcher. Buy the right cut depending on what dish you will prepare. If not cooking right away, store meat properly in the freezer to keep it fresh. Buying fish. Choose fish with bright, clear eyes and shiny scales. The gills should be red, not brown or gray. Fish should have a fresh, sea-like smell, not a bad or sour odor. The flesh should be firm and bounce back when pressed. Buy only what you can cook soon to keep fish fresh and safe to eat. Minimizing the cost of meals. Have you ever noticed how food prices keep changing in the market? Do you know that with proper planning, a family can still eat healthy meals without spending too much money? Minimizing the cost of meals means finding ways to save money on food while still providing nutritious and delicious meals for the whole family. It involves wise planning, budgeting, and careful buying. Here are some suggestions to minimize food expenses. Plan meals ahead of time. Prepare a menu for the week to know what ingredients to buy. Avoid last-minute buying or unnecessary spending. Make a market list. List down only the things that you need to buy and stick to your list to prevent overspending. Buy in-season fruits and vegetables. Seasonal produce is cheaper, fresher, and more nutritious. Buy in bulk for non-perishable items. Buying rice, canned goods, or dry ingredients in larger amounts can help save money. Use leftovers wisely. Reheat or recycle leftover food into new dishes. Avoid food wastage. Cook only what the family can finish. And store leftovers properly to keep them safe and fresh. Choose local and affordable food. Local products are usually cheaper and fresher than imported ones. Compare prices and quality. Check prices from different sellers before buying to get the best value for your money. Prepare simple but nutritious meals. You don't need expensive ingredients to make healthy food. Focus on the three basic food groups for balanced nutrition. And use homegrown fruits and vegetables. Plant vegetables like malunggay, kangkong, or tomatoes in your backyard to save money and eat fresh. Once again, Meal planning is an important part of managing a home wisely. It helps families prepare nutritious, balanced, and delicious meals while saving time, effort, and money. By planning ahead, buying wisely, and avoiding wastes, families can make sure that every meal served is healthy and within the budget. A well-planned meal also brings the family together to enjoy food and strengthen their bond. Great job, everyone! You've learned a lot about meal planning and how it helps families eat healthy and save money. But we're not done yet. In the next part of our lesson, we'll have exciting activities and fun questions to test what you've learned. So don't go away, stay tuned for part 2.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.